Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I will continue speaking about my trips. I volunteered at a hostel in Costa Rica. I helped clean the kitchen, clean the bathrooms, and to keep the rooms tidy. I also helped out at reception from time to time. Have you ever volunteered anywhere before? Maybe at a hostel, a dog shelter, maybe a farm? While I was volunteering in Costa Rica, I saw the most beautiful beaches I have ever seen. And I made two very good friends. One of the friends I met actually is the girl who tattooed me. She is a very talented artist. My other friend in Costa Rica introduced me to scuba diving. They will always be two very special friends. After my trip to Costa Rica, I couldn't wait to continue traveling the world. So, I started planning my next trip. Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. I have a new microphone. Today, I want to talk to you about something I saw on the bus the other day. The other day, I saw a little girl on the bus. She was dressed from head to toe in all pink. She was very cute. She was with her mother and her grandfather. But her mom had to leave and go to work. So she left her little girl with her grandfather. She had to give her mom a kiss goodbye and leave with her grandpa. So her mom passed over the daughter to her grandpa, and the little girl just cried and cried because she didn't want to leave her mom. She finally had to say goodbye, and she was carried away by her grandpa. It reminded me of when I was a little girl, and I could sympathize with how she was feeling. And that feeling when your mom is literally your whole entire world. And when you're younger, you can't even imagine a few hours without your mom. So you just miss her all day and you wait until she finally comes home. It made me tear up a little bit on the bus because it reminded me of how much everything changes and how fast we all grow up. Our parents grow up, our grandparents grow up, and we grow up. And before you know it, we're all grown-ups. And we can go days or even weeks without thinking about our moms. I'm sure every mother remembers those moments when we would always cry for them. And sometimes I wish I could go back to those days, to the days where my biggest worry was, when is mom coming home? Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk to you about interviews, job interviews. This is to practice vocabulary for B1 English levels. My experience with job interviews is very vast. I have a variety of skills, and I have had a variety of different jobs. I always keep my resume or CV updated. Any new qualifications or new experience, I always keep it up to date on my CV. Are there any employment positions on your CV right now? I have worked in a few different areas. I have worked in education, translation, transcription, and curriculum creating. How important is your resume to you? How important is it to keep it up to date for your employment positions? I have only ever had part-time jobs. I have never had a full-time job. I like to keep my schedule flexible because I like to travel and I need a flexible schedule to manage different time zones. Do you have a part-time job or a full-time job? Another big part of job interviews are your skills. What are your skills?